Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can bypass GoGuardian on our school Chromebook. So I will be providing a link in the description, and all you have to do is just copy this link and paste it in your browser. Then click enter and it will redirect you to this page of Nebula. It is a proxy server and you can just type in the websites that you want to open up and it will unblock almost every single thing out there for you. Suppose we want to open up Discord over here, then we will just type in Discord and wait for it to load. Its speed is lower than our Wi-Fi because we are using a proxy. So wait for it to load and it should eventually load up the things that you want to open up, and it has opened Discord for us. In a similar way, you can search for other things as well over here. Instead of Discord, just type in the website that you want to open up, and that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.